today's vlog.
Oh, look
Are you serious?
Look at her. Risking our lives for this photo shoot.
Did you hear him?
Tulum vacation, day 2.
We're about to head out. By the way, this view and lighting is crazy. So I think my van is here. I just seen somebody pull up. We're gonna get this photo shoot on and popping.
Let's get it. Boom. Turn. Put this girl on a runway, bruh. Put this girl on a runway. Let me zoom. That car almost hit me. That car almost hit. Oh my God. I almost got hit.
Bro, you better go to like justgothit.com. Okay.
Let's go, baby.
Hey guys, we're at the next stop called the Masha Mama. My photographer is getting me a coconut and we're gonna start shooting. After this, I do a quick outfit change and we're gonna go hit up another spot. So my boyfriend has gotten beat up by a car almost. How's it been going, babe?
Almost killed for her vlog. So y'all better like.
It's a vlog.
Like I said, I'm risking my life for this vlog. So y'all better like, y'all better subscribe. All right. Comment below.
So this is Alex. She's taking photos of me today. Here's the coconut.
We're rocking the morning in Tulum.
Yes, so let's get started on set 2.
Yeah, you gotta actually drink the coconut.
Drink the coconut. Do you like coconut?
I've never tried it.
Really?
Well, you better act like you love it.
Is it good? I love it. It's one of my favorite things to drink.
Wow.
It's a funny taste, but if you don't like it, don't drink it. She looks like a model there.
She is, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, those look good.
Look at this, they are working
How did you like the
at a
coconut?
masterpiece.
Funny?
Yeah,
like
it has a funny taste.
Tell them how you like it.
It's very warm. I like my drinks cold.
It's a different taste. For sure, it's a different taste.
Look at it though.
This
That's
is not your
crazy.
typical brown coconut.
It's great for the skin also, like to wash your face with it because it hydrates, and it's great for keeping yourself hydrated.
Yeah.
Like drinking a coconut is like drinking like 5 bottles of
Yeah,
water.
like
crazy.
no ele-
Babe, you look so good.
Can you get this in the sun? I like my skin. I want to bring this spot. Okay.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Hey, you glowing. Hey, babe,
Yeah.
you fine. I want y'all to comment below how tall y'all think Sahai is. Oh, look
Are
at
you
her.
serious?
Look at her.
Wow, those look really good. Okay, so we're changing to outfit number 2
Outfit
now.
number 2.
She's an amazing photographer. I'm gonna put the link in the description for her Airbnb book.
Aw, thank you. First coconuts. We're gonna pop the cherry of the coconuts.
I mean, it tastes weird. I'm thirsty. I'm
Yeah.
throwing this back.
It is a funny taste. I didn't love it when I first tried
Yeah,
it, but
it's
I did
okay.
love it after.
But I've had
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you.
Talk to him. Let him know how hot it
hot?
is. Yeah.
I'm sweating everywhere.
Yeah.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying, tell me, baby, said our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I just know that you, so complex, won't you?
Yeah. Y'all thought we was in the jungle, but we really risking our lives for this photo shoot.
Did you hear him in his commentary about you?
In Mexico.
In Mexico for this photo shoot, man.
Oh
It's
my
fire
God.
though.
Those look so good.
Oh, wow.
Okay, the next speed.
Yeah.
That looks so
Look
good.
at that. And I got some with this. Look at this one with this.
I need video evidence if I get hit.
Sick.
Really good.
It's almost like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That looks so good. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Out here in a bikini in these streets of Mexico, but it's all for the photo shoot.
Exactly.
All for the photo shoot.
Okay guys, so we just finished that photo shoot. We started at like 7:30, ended at 11. Alex was super nice and brought us to get some pesos because we came out here with American dollars, which they accept, but it's just too much. So we're just gonna go ahead and get that switched over. You did a really good job of vlogging. Guys, so we finally made it back to the Airbnb. Once again, I'll go ahead and link this Airbnb in the description bar. I am so happy. Alex did a wonderful job with the photo shoot, and I'll link her Airbnb link in the description bar as well. Shout out to my boyfriend for filming this entire time.
Hey, shout out to me. Hey, listen, it was hot. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, because if you don't, I'm coming for you.
Yeah, I was literally gonna make a all-in-one birthday video, but the fact that this was from 7:30 to like almost an hour ago. Look if I blush, or am I just sunburnt? I was gonna wash my face, but we're gonna take a shower and stuff before we go to our cooking class tonight. The people are supposed to be picking us up. We were supposed to meet at a Burger King. Can we talk about my face? So my cheeks look like I have blush on, but they're just red because I've been in the sun, which is a really cool effect that I forgot that my skin does. Aside from that, like my eyebrows, period poo. I don't put anything in my eyebrows. I got my brows microbladed by this awesome brow tech in Plano. I got them done maybe like 5 months ago, and I just had my touch up a few weeks ago before I moved back to Houston. All right guys, so we're at the pool right now. We're gonna take a nice little swim before we go get lunch from the little market that's attached to the condo, and we're gonna eat on the balcony in our room. So the pool was looking fab. We're gonna go get lunch, like I said earlier, and eat on the balcony, enjoy our time, probably try to take a nap before our cooking class tonight. So yeah, thanks for watching this far, and stay tuned for the rest of this day. We're back with our food. We got paninis from this restaurant called Delicioso. We're about to eat outside on the patio right here. Gonna get some drinks going. My boyfriend bought a bottle of Tito's at the airport and is enforcing that I get drunk at least once on this trip. So yeah, we're gonna eat and relax, shower, get ready for this cooking class tonight. Go ahead and give it a taste. Hey everyone, we just woke up from a ferocious nap. We took a shower.
I'm taking a nap.
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Still a little bit out of it. We took a 30-minute nap. We're waiting for our taxi to head to our cooking class in the little outside lobby, which is so cool. That's the concierge right there. There's another desk behind this thing right here. And the noise is lovely water fountain. So we'll update you when we can, and if we can. Alright guys, we made it to Burger King. We're just waiting for our taxi to take us to the chef's house. We're at the cooking class. I haven't been able to film as much because we've been cooking. But it's going amazing right now.